movie time again because the puppies got a very expensive toy, a poop bag, and they love it. They pulled it out of Mike's pocket, actually. Bella is in charge of a toy and a little towel. Ozzy actually brought some balls to play, but he's gonna jump now. Bye-bye, Ozzy! He's more in the retriever mode. And that is, yeah, that's Phoebe and Red John. I just like that squeaky or bag, plastic bag. Very funny. Mamba supervising, just making sure everybody's under control. Look at that. We like those expensive toys.